Namaste and welcome to Content Lab. I'm Anna, and today we'll dive into a fascinating topic, the concept of unity as a design element, explored through the lens of one of India's most colorful and culturally rich festivals, Durga Puja. What is unity in design? So, let's start with the basics. In design, unity refers to how different elements come together harmoniously. Think of it like this: no matter how varied the colors, shapes, or textures are in a composition, when unity is achieved, they all work in sync to create a cohesive, complete picture. It's all about guiding the viewer's eye and making the design feel like a single, well-balanced entity. Unity in Durga Puja, a cultural expression. Now, let's switch gears to Durga Puja. This festival is celebrated with grandeur, especially in Bengal, but it represents more than just artistic beauty. Durga Puja is a true symbol of unity and diversity. People from all walks of life come together, transcending religion, language, and background. This cultural unity mirrors the design principle of unity, where each part, no matter how distinct, fits into the bigger picture to form something magnificent. Unity in Durga Puja's art and design. Let's dive deeper into the art of Durga Puja. The pandals, which are temporary structures set up for the festival, may differ wildly in style, some traditional, some modern, some even avant-garde, but they all share one unifying element: the goddess Durga. Her presence ties every design choice together, whether it's color, form, or material. This central figure in Durga Puja reflects how designers can use a focal point to bring harmony to their compositions. Unity in rituals and celebrations. But unity doesn't stop with the artistic expression. It extends to the rituals, the dances, the music, and even the food that's shared during the festival. Each element plays a unique role in creating a sense of belonging. Just like in design, where every individual element contributes to the overall composition,